What's up guys? Today we're washing the dirty Beamer. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you how you can wash your car at home and not necessarily go to a car wash. Also, this method, obviously it's not professional guys, this is not a car detailing video, it's just a basic video how to show you how you can wash your car at home without the use of a power washer or a water hose, because not all the houses or apartments have access to that. So what you're gonna be needing for today's video is 2 buckets, a wash mitt, some microfiber cloths, and some cleaning products. So let's get into it. Alright, so for those who don't know why I'm using 2 buckets instead of just one, basically the idea is to have one bucket with a clean water and one with the dirty water. So basically I'm gonna put the wash mitt into clean water, wash the car, and rinse it off in the dirty bucket, and then start off again. Grab the soapy water, clean the car, rinse it off in the dirty one. And guys, you want to be using a wash mitt, okay? Don't be using a sponge. It's really not ideal for a car's paint. The sponge catches a lot of the sand and the dirt, and you're just gonna grind it all over your paintwork. So if you can, please use a wash mitt. Also, please don't be using regular dish soap. You want to be using car shampoo. It's specifically made for your paint, and it will protect your paint, and there's some of them are also available with waxes and all sort of stuff. So you want to be using car shampoo if you can. Okay, so you want to be starting off with the wheels. You don't want to have the whole car clean, and then when you're doing the wheels you have all the dirt flapping around. So you want to take care of the wheels first. I'm just gonna just wet them down a bit, and also you want to be using a completely different cloth or a brush if you have a brush for the wheels. Basically, why we're gonna be using some wheel spray. It's really heavy, dirty stuff, and you don't want to anywhere apart from the wheels. So I'm gonna spray all the wheels around, let this sink in for about a minute, and then we're gonna give it a wash.
As you know, we have something special. We have special government. Ladies.
Alright, so the wheels are done. They're looking pretty clean, I think. And let's get over to the next step. Also, the water that you use to clean the wheels with, don't use it. Empty it out and fill it up with clean water. Alright, so for the body wash, you want to work yourself from the top to the bottom. So, and you want to wash the car one panel at a time. So with the roof, and rinse in the dirty bucket and grab soapy, and let's go again. You want to leave the dirtiest part for the end, so you want to do the top first and leave the very bottom for the last. Also, another tip, you're not applying any pressure to the paint, you're just gently just sliding through it. There's no need for any pressure. You don't want to be grinding the dirt into the paint. So just gently doing this 1-2 passes. You don't want to be doing There's no point. It's just paint. It's clean already. There's nothing more you can do just by doing this. There's no point. And that's pretty much it, guys. You just repeat the process for the other side, the front and the back, and that's it. So as you can see, it's all washed. It's not looking too bad, but there's one more step before the whole car is finished, so let's get to it. Alright, so next step is to apply some spray wax to the car while the car is still wet. So you kind of spraying the car with wax and also drying it at the same time. I find it to be the most time efficient and also works good as well, so let's get to it. You should be using a microfiber towel for this, but I don't have one at the moment, so I'm using a chamois. It works just as good for drying the car. So and look at this, guys. Don't tell me this isn't worth an hour's worth of work. You could obviously you could go to a car wash, but I doubt it they would ever give it a good clean like you could do it yourself. So I'd highly recommend doing this yourself, guys. I mean, look at the effort, it speaks for itself. So little touch-ups you can do. As you can see, my tires are a bit brownish, dry, so I'll show you what you can use to fix that. What you can use is this tire shine. Basically, few small drops sprays, or should I say sprays, on the tire, and just leave it on to dry, and the wheel will be looking wet for days. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Before you get onto me and start roasting me in the comments, I know this isn't the best way to wash your car. Obviously, ultimately, you'd rather have a power washer or at least a water hose to wash down the dirt first. But in my situation, I don't have the access to that. At my house, we moved houses a few weeks back, and I don't have an access to it just yet. But I just thought I'll show you this video how you can still keep your car clean if you live in an apartment or a house like me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found the video helpful. As you can see, it's super cold outside, and this being Ireland, it might just rain in about 10-15 minutes, so my work might go to crap. But I just need the car clean for a few pictures because this car is going up for sale, so I gave the car a wash. Anyways, enough of me talking crap. I hope you guys found the video helpful, enjoyed it. Drop a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next video.